day 2 of the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Today we will be dressing to shoes. This is one of my favorite things to do of the Flylady system because it absolutely gives me a pep to my step and causes me to feel ready for anything. So today, if you're still in your pajamas or loungewear or whatever you are, I challenge you to go and get your clothes for the day. Just pick on anything and put it on, and that will be your challenge for today. You can get it absolutely for free. And don't forget today to also shine your sink like we did yesterday. If you want to go deeper into the challenge, don't forget we have memberships starting at just $10 that will get you so much more out of this challenge. I'm talking about principles, bonus videos, mini challenges, a private community for just $10 a month, and there's even more for the $20 tier. Be sure to check it out. I'll link it all below. Be sure to get those calendars if you haven't done so already by signing up to my newsletter. You can get it absolutely for free. Dressing to shoes is super duper important. Ever since I started doing this, I felt a drastic difference even in my energy levels. I have a pair of shoes that I absolutely love. They're hard sole and they're super duper comfortable. But if you don't have house shoes, then just take a pair of shoes you haven't worn in a while, clean the bottom of the soles, and voila, instant house shoes. So be sure to grab your clothes for today, and don't forget to shine your sink. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.